What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And man, I guess, we're just gonna get straight to it. So y'all can see by the thumbnail and the title, my splitter is good. It's done. It's done. And I'm recording this a while after all that happened. I ordered a new splitter and I got it in, so that's gonna be the next video. But I think, yeah, I did the splitter rides, and I was on my way to pick up my brother because we was gonna go to a car show. I think it was Slammed Enough, yeah. So I'm gonna have some footage of that. My camera ended up dying, so I didn't really have that much footage. But I was putting on the splitter rides when I was on my way to get my brother. My splitter rides ended up falling off, and luckily he had a screwdriver in their place. So I took the screwdriver with me, and see, it's all in God's plan. You know what I'm saying? God has everything happen for a reason. And you know what? Let me just go ahead and show y'all the clip before everything happened. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. And today, hopefully this will be a video, because I don't know if I have space on my phone for this, and my camera is on one more bar. But we're on our way to Slammed Enough. We're gonna see little cars they got over there. I went there last time and I was having fun. This man twirling his hair. But we ran into a problem on the way here. I knew I heard a little thump, like the tiniest, like you could barely hear it. One of my splitter rods, man, both of them actually came off at the top and were just dangling, bro. And I was on the E-way. It's probably because I was going, faster. So it's all bad, bro. I took the screwdriver just in case. I didn't bring the necessary tools for it, so kind of effed if anything happens. So hopefully we can make it to the show and back and then not get back home, because I got my brother with me. And I can make it back home without no problems. I'm not gonna be going crazy, so hopefully everything stays in, man. So yeah, I guess if anything happens, we should check it like every 20 minutes, but I'm gonna be just cruising though. But excuse me, if anything happens, I'm just gonna record it, I guess, bro. I don't even know if this is gonna be a video because I ain't got no more. I got one bar left on my, all bad, bro. But I guess let's go on our way, man. Oh, see, this is why you need professional installation. I had to take off both of the rides. Watch your elbow.
So maybe you should.
I don't know if, well, it's just like the hole in the top part is like stripped or something. I didn't even do it that tight before, but maybe I need a wash or something. Man, let me close this. Bro, like, come on now, bro, this shit. Hey, as long as I can get it off and I don't lose any pieces and hopefully, get it done again, then it's cool, man. But I guess back on the road, and I don't even know if I can record this, man. This shit, all bad, bro, all bad. No, it's not all bad, but it's just like, could be better, but hey, we living, we going to go have fun over there. Let's have a safe trip, and we should be cool, know what I'm saying, right, Jenna? It's just a little thing. It was just $30. And I could just get another, hold on, let me move the camera. I could just get like another set of them. Because these are 8mm, I can get 10mm ones that can go from the corner ones instead of the ones in the middle and have it go the other way. All bad. But let's go. Well, I want to Evo. This shit hard. This shit hard as fuck though. That's 2,000, please.
Someone's talking.
Yeah. Lincoln with the Lambo. Hey, we saw them at the other meet. Yo, what goes that? Bro, I want to get my shit wrapped this. That Nardo gray, I don't even know if y'all can see it on camera, but it's just purple and all that. I missed my full series and they didn't fuck up. Kept fucking up. Brazzers. They were that one dude.
are gonna throw shirts out. Delta, where you going? Alright, I need you guys to make noise though if you want shirts. Alright? This is from Fresh Links, alright? Ready? Make some noise, guys.
Yeah.
Girls.
Why you smiling?
Girls.
Why you smiling?
Girls, you ready? Ready?
Alright guys, as you can see, my camera died. I don't remember exactly how much I got at the car show, but I mean, it was cool. I feel like the first year I went was more fun because we just saw different cars. I feel like we saw the same cars as last year. Well, I mean, it was different cars there and stuff, but now that that happened, I'm gonna send y'all to a clip of when my splitter came off and all that. But I didn't record it. I don't know why I didn't decide to record it with my phone or anything, but I did post it on Snapchat, and I downloaded the video off of Snapchat, so I'm gonna show you guys what happened and what it looks like. Well, this day fucking sucks. Oh my God. Well, that's, yep. It's been a long time without you, my lil fuck.
And nothing can go wrong. Oh no, it all went wrong.
Alright, you guys, so that's the end of the video. I don't know how long this video is gonna be because it was supposed to be longer. It was supposed to be about the car show, but didn't make sure my camera was charged, and it looks like I gotta charge. I mean, I got 2 bars. I'm gonna have to charge it again, but I already have the new splitter coming in. It's gonna be a gloss black splitter, and we're just gonna hope that the second splitter don't be destroyed like the first one. But shit, it happens. So hey, we just live and learn. I'm gonna have hella more screws in that bitch. So hey, if we gotta get another one after this one, it is what it is. We're just gonna keep doing it. But I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace out.